Hello, welcome to my home. Let's see what will be in the video. First, go to Google and search for Midjourney. Then click on the first link. After that, click on Join Beta. Then you will be redirected to Discord. I have already done so. I'm going straight to Discord. Now click on the Midjourney logo. Then click on any newbies in here. Now type / and select image prompt and give a good prompt about the image you need by yourself, or you can get my prompt from the description. After giving the prompt, press enter. After that, 4 pictures will be loaded, and from those 4 you can select one from U1, U2, U3, U4. After a few seconds, the picture you selected will appear, then click on it and there will be a hyperlink called Open in the browser, then click on it. Now right-click on the image and download it. Now go to Eleven Labs and write a script on your own, or ask from the chat GPT for a script for you AI avatar. Then turn it into an audio file and download it from Eleven Labs. Now go to studio.d-id.com and go to Create Video, add your animated photo and upload the audio file which you downloaded from elevenlabs.com, Now generate your video.
Hello, welcome to my home. Hello, welcome to my home.
Hello, welcome to my home. My name is Kiawini, and I'm here to... Hello, welcome to my home. My name is Kiawini, and I'm here to introduce myself to you. I'm not all work, no play. I love to have fun and make people laugh. I can tell jokes, like, please subscribe my channel. Sorry, bad joke though. Anyway, subscribe to so that you won't miss our videos. I am an image which is converted into video, and you have learned how to do that. Love you, lords.